Can a chiropractor cure spinal stenosis? Hey, thanks for joining us on the answer to that question on our Ask Dr. McCord frequently asked questions series here. And I have a plastic model here again to show you what is stenosis. Stenosis is basically a narrowing of an opening. And in your spine, you have 24 movable bones called vertebra, and they actually form a tunnel which the spinal cord exits the opening in the back of the head and courses down inside the spinal column and ends up at about your lower back area, what's called L1 or so in your spine, and then a series of nerves come off of that from that. But I have a model here to actually show you where the opening is on a section of the bone in the lumbar spine, and you can see the body of the vertebra here, and from this angle you see the disc. And what happens is the spinal cord courses inside of this opening here, and then what can happen with stenosis is either bone from the vertebra in the front or bone in the back can actually grow together and begin a narrowing of that opening, kind of like a pinch in the hourglass type of a thing, causing an interruption of the nerve signal. So what chiropractors can do is, we can't do anything if that's been a bone, but if it's a shift of the disc, which is the pad of cartilage in between the vertebra, and the alignment of the vertebra, we can dramatically affect that. So chiropractors can't really cure anything. We just assist the body. The body is what actually cures itself, but we can help with that alignment, which is very, very important. And a number of practice members come in to see us with spinal stenosis on the radiology report, and we can actually end up helping them. So thanks for joining us with the answer to this question. Hope these are helping you. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click into our website at www.kenteastchiro.com. Thanks again for joining us.